Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Check the garment label and test a seam to confirm color fastness. Combine 1/2 cup white vinegar with 1/2 cup water in a spray bottle. Alternatively, use lemon juice for delicate fibers. Blot excess iron with a dry cloth. Do not rub because you'll push the stain deeper. Once done, spritz the stained area lightly and let the solution sit for 5–10 minutes so it can break down iron particles before the next step. You'll now lift the stain. Brush any flaky residue away gently using a soft toothbrush to avoid abrasion. Make a paste of baking soda and water or cream of tartar with lemon juice. Spread a thin layer over the stain and let it fizz for 10 minutes so oxidation loosens bound iron. Then, rinse under running warm water while gently rubbing the fabric fibers with your fingers. If the mark persists, repeat this cycle, because patience often wins where one treatment fails. You finish by rinsing thoroughly until the water runs clear. Make sure to air dry the item away from direct heat so any lingering stain doesn't set. Once the fabric is mostly clear, wash it normally following the care label and avoid the dryer until you confirm the mark is gone. If a stubborn rust ring remains, treat with a commercial rust remover made for textiles or repeat the paste method. If nothing helps, consult a professional cleaner. One targeted remedy can save the garment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.